All right, now we are discussing smaller works or small parts of a larger work, and the fact that we put quotation marks around those small works or the parts of larger works. So I'm going to show you some examples here. The first one is How Beaver Stole Fire from the Pines. You'll see it's a short story. It's too short to have, a front cover and a back cover. Those would be in quotation marks. Another one is an example of here a poem by Shel Silverstein, Monsters I've Met. And you can see it's very short. If we tried to store this and organize this on the shelf over there, we would really struggle with finding it the next time. So we're just going to put Monsters I've Met in quotation marks. So those are small works. Now, an example of a part of a large work is, remember the National Geographic? Well, if we were to open up National Geographic to a certain article in here, this one's called Defenders of the Reef. And that's talking about taking care of the earth. Anyway, this Defenders of the Reef would be in quotation marks, but this National Geographic would be underlined. Okay, another example of a smaller part of a large work. Here is Wicked. And if you go on the inside, you'll find all of the different songs. There are 19 songs here. Each song is a small part of a large work. These are the small parts. This is the large work. Wicked gets underlined. The song Popular would get quotation marks around it. And last but not least, another example of a small part in a large work. So here's the large work, Stella by Starlight. Really good book. And it's broken up into chapters. So each chapter is a small part. This one is called Piano Frogs. We would put quotation marks around it.